You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update: understanding ShrinkLocker Ransomware and protecting your business. Among the never-ending torrent of cybersecurity threats, a new ransomware strain known as ShrinkLocker has emerged, targeting businesses still operating on older Windows systems. This malicious software utilizes Visual Basic scripting to encrypt corporate systems, leaving companies vulnerable to data loss and operational disruption. ShrinkLocker has successfully attacked government, manufacturing, vaccine establishments, and more, who are utilizing Windows Vista or older. In those cases, it has encrypted non-boot partitions of the hard drive, which frequently contain valuable company data. It does this by using Microsoft's built-in BitLocker encryption to encrypt the company data. Then it removes the BitLocker recovery options, effectively locking victims' data and making recovery difficult to impossible. At this point, ShrinkLocker notifies the computer user and holds the encrypted data ransom. The good news is that by implementing some basic and specific strategies, you can ensure that ShrinkLocker and similar threats won't compromise your business's security. To safeguard your business against such threats, it's crucial to take proactive steps. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, update your systems. If you follow the CyberStream system update, you know that patch management is a common recommendation. But in this case, the issue at hand is that the victims are using operating systems which are so old that Microsoft isn't even making patches for them anymore. Windows 10 will become end of life on October 14th, 2025, a few months after turning 10 years old, at which point support, patches, and security updates will no longer be available. All previous Windows operating systems are already end of life. So if you're not already on Windows 11 now, the time to plan your upgrade path is now. Second, enhance security layers. 2 services which will help protect and recover your data from ShrinkLocker are backups and endpoint detect and response, or EDR. So ensure that you have a backup system which is designed and configured and monitored for success to back up your company's most important data. But backups are the best last line of defense. In order to prevent disruption of operations, ensure that you have an EDR system in place which will specifically monitor for and protect against VBS, that is Visual Basic Scripting, and PowerShell-based threats. And third, employee awareness training. Educate your staff on the dangers of phishing and other cyber threats to minimize human error. ShrinkLocker and other malware often rely on deceptive emails or links to trick users into downloading or executing malicious code. By training your employees on how to spot and avoid phishing attempts, you can reduce the risk of falling victim to ShrinkLocker or similar attacks. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.